I brought Bumblebee into suitors, so they're like 3 weeks out, I guess. So hopefully they'll get her fixed up, ready to go. Because I'm tired of not being able to ride the old girl. Got to rent the U-Haul truck and trailer to bring it down here. Then my neighbor supposedly is going to give me a ride down, and that way I can just ride the bike home. Suiter's got a lot of nice bikes out here for sale. They used to put, oh, there they are. There's a 1998 Honda Shadow, like 2800. Looks beautiful shape. Harley, well, this will be sitting here for a long time. 5500 Sportster, 1200, fresh rebuild. That's the first fresh rebuild. They'll probably need 6 more once you buy it. But yeah, they got some nice bikes here. So, yeah, Suitors, Speed Shop. They got some nice ones over here too. This is a good price on a scooter. $4 grand. I think it's Bergman. 400. I'm not sure if that's a good price. Unless it's got really low mileage. I think I paid 1,800 for mine, or 2,500. Mine wasn't very expensive. It only had 5,000 miles on it. Looked brand new, right off the showroom floor. All right, I'll let you know how much it costs, and whenever it gets done. See ya.